Anyways, to go from a petty theft to a third violent strike when a person doesn't have any violent strikes is you're targeting this person level extreme. Now, let me give you some consistencies to show you that this is not just a coincidence or an accident or, yeah. I kind of still can't get over that. They really try to put me away for 25 years, life plus or whatever, or a phone cord charger, and bent the rules that much to do it. Anyways, last year in August, I died. You probably heard me mention that in a previous video as well. What did I die from? They call it dry drowning. Water in the heart and their lungs. To be perfectly honest, I believe I was assassinated. I know how that sounds. Don't look at me like that. The reason why I say I was assassinated because the definition of assassination. Assassination means you're dead before you even fucking know it. Like 1 minute, you turn a corner, the next minute, you're talking to a guy. I don't know what happened, guy. I was walking down my block and I turned the corner and now I'm on this cloud talking to your ass. You know, like dead before you even realize it. Now, I was out here in San Leandro in the back of the laundromat, freaking rolling a blunt, and next thing I know, I wake up in the hospital 3 days later. So, and it was at night. I'm in dry grass. You have to be at least a tuning to just really just sneak up on me like that at night in dry grass. Like, that was a real. Anyways, despite the fact that I was murdered and so on and so forth, and I'm back, so I'm not really tripping. Kind of am, don't want to happen again, but at the same time, anyways. So, I was assassinated last year, right? This year they tried to put me in jail for life over a cell phone charger cord. I mean, there's other things that's happened within my life where like I was in danger, so on and so forth. Of course that's a variable. You feel me? Especially in a black man's life in America, your life is always on the line. You could die at any given moment, nigga. Don't trust nothing. Anyways, that's just, like I said, that's just one consistency that really just stands out on, like, I don't want to say targeting or the conspired demise of or social terrorism, collective hating, and so on and so forth. Really, I don't even give a fuck. I really don't. Wanna know why? Because I'm alive. Number two, I just want my money. That's like the main reason why they're trying to just, I don't know, eliminate me.